What's up, y'all? It is Monday, October 21st. Monday, it is the start of the trading week. No trades have been taken. NQ. There was a trend line I had. NQ broke the trend line and sold lower. We're bouncing up. I'll just show y'all. Yeah, I had a trend line right here, but I took it off. NQ just sold off in the overnight, and then as you see, we are starting to push back up. So the only levels I have for right here is these 520s and the 330s. This is an area of support. We bounced off of it plenty times, and then the 520s just held up last week, and it held up this morning. So if we break out of this 520s area, I'm going to be looking for a breakout retest and then shoot back up, because we also have this trend line on the higher time frame from last year. This was last week or the week before that, so we had this trend line right here. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going for. If we could potentially sell off from this zone right here, so I'm gonna just see how we play around this area. So other than that, we could bounce off here. I'll look for a long off that, but other than that, I'll just bring you guys when I'm in a trade. Alright, chat, let me show y'all the trade I am in currently. So this is a resistance right here. Hit it, came down, broke out of it, and then we retested it. So I got back in on a retest, and as you see, I am targeting up to today's high. So yeah, but it is selling off kind of hard right now. But yeah, that's the trade I am in. I just wanted to show y'all. I'm up 280 right now. I might just put it at break even, because I'm not liking price right now. So I don't like what it's doing. So but yeah, I'm gonna just bring y'all guys back either if I get stopped out or if it runs to TP. So yeah. Ooh, it's dark. Dang. Alright, y'all, I'm back, and the trade hit TP. I put it a little bit above where I had it like right here, but I moved it up. I just wanted to see how we reacted off of this level. I made 1400 on the day. I am going to call it a day. One trade and done. As I told y'all before, breakout and retested the zone, and as you see, it went up and hit full TP. So yeah, I will see y'all on Tuesday. Alright, y'all, what's up? Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. The time is 8:28. So Nasdaq kind of from yesterday's close, Nasdaq kind of fell. It fell pretty much. It opened up around, if it'll focus, it opened up around here, which is like 20,000. It opened up in the 500s, and now we are sitting at 392s. So what I'm looking at is probably see us come down this previous day low, or the support we have right here, and then try and make a move back up. Pretty much it. I think we also, this might be a nice little trend line to draw. Yeah, and we also got that trend line, and then these lines right here are like resistance levels or key levels to watch out for. So yeah, and then on ES is kind of just doing what it's been doing. It kind of basically did the same thing as Nasdaq. Opened up high, and then we made a move lower. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for that, and then I'll just bring you guys back whenever I'm in a trade. Alright, chat, I am back. I am in a live trade right now, but I did take one trade, and I'm gonna show you exactly what happened. So there's a lot of stuff on the screen right now, but right here, this was a trend line from right here. I got long, but I got stopped out, and I'm down like $400 on the day. But this trade I am in right now, this is basically a head and shoulders. You got a shoulder, you got a head, and you got a shoulder. We came down, we left this 1 minute fair value gap. I have my entry set right here. As soon as we tapped in, I wanted to see us tap the fair value gap and then shoot right down. And as you see with that candle, we tapped it and shot right back down. And so yeah, I am into this trade, looking for us to break this 5 minute trend line and then see if we can push lower. I really want to target the low of days, which is kind of like down here. But I'm not gonna hold the position that long. And then as you see, ES broke this trend line, and then it rejected it, and then now it's kind of like coming down a little bit. It's taking its time. But yeah, this is the position I'm in. This will, if I get stopped out on this trade, this is probably gonna be my last trade of the day. It's a high key, it's a high setup. So yeah, but yeah, this is pretty much all I'm into. This will be the last trade of the day. Yeah, and then I wanted to put this right here. This orange circle right here was a trade that I missed that could have been a good one. We had a 5-minute fair value gap right here, and then we also had this area where we were holding off right here, and then we came down into it, and then we pushed back up. So yeah, that's what that orange circle was for. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and then I'll bring you guys back either when it hit TP or if I get stopped out. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, chat, it is 11:05. I'm still in the same trade. I'm finna go to the gym. I'm gonna just let the trade do what it do. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. If it run the TP, it run the TP. But I'm gonna just show you. It has done pretty much this. I'm looking just for a volatile sell to fill me out, and so where I am done on the day. But yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and wait. I'm just go ahead and call. I'm finna go to the gym, and then whatever this does, it do what it's gonna do. But yeah, I'll probably be back later on and then show y'all what happened with the trade. So yeah. Alright, chat, I'm back, and the trade hit TP. As you see, we hit, hold on, I fit upload. Oh. Yeah, we hit TP. As you see, after it hit TP, the market just straight shot up. As you can see, we shot up. But yeah, I'm pretty much done for a day. I made $527, so not my like average, but I went 2 for 1. I had 2 losers and 1 winner. The one winner that I did, it was like it was a $995 trade. And so yeah, so the account is passed. I will have my funded account tomorrow. So yeah, and then we're gonna start the challenge. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, here's the trade Zello report. So I'm doing pretty good this week. I'm up 1.9k this week. As you see, last week I had 3 green days and 2 red, and then the week before that I had 1 red day. So we're looking pretty good today. Like I said, 3 trades today, and then 1 trade was yesterday. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Alright, what's up, y'all? It is October 23rd, Wednesday. To be honest, there's a couple things I'm looking at. It is 8:30, so the market just opened. We just bounced off of one of the areas I was looking at. This right here was a swing low from yesterday, right here, where we rejected off of and pushed higher yesterday. This is a swing low, and then if you see right here, ES is making a upside down head and shoulder, so shoulder, head, and then shoulder on the higher time frames. Yeah, it's looking pretty bearish. We just gonna see. I got a couple areas right here, like this area right here is the support. This right here is a 5-minute bearish trend line. I think it's a 1 hour too. A 1 hour, yeah, a 1 hour bearish trend line. So it's looking pretty good to go towards the downside, or we could hold this as support and then we push back up. So yeah, I'm gonna just see what it does, and then whenever I get into a trade, I will bring you guys back. So yeah. Alright, what's up, chat? I have taken 1 trade, but I took it off kind of early. I'm gonna just show you why I took it off, and I made $85 on that trade. So right here, we came down and hit the support level. So once we hit the support level, I was just looking for an area to get long. So once we had this 1 minute inversion, I went ahead and got long right here, and I was in, and I was letting price push and push and push. But as I started to see, ES was halting along this EMA. It wasn't getting above this EMA. So as soon as I started to see, these candles right here not closed strong, I just went ahead and closed it. So I closed it for $85 in profit. Right now I am in no trades. That is the only trade I've taken. I will bring you guys back when I am into another one. Alright, y'all, I took 1 more trade. I'm gonna show you the trade I took, and I ain't gonna lie, this was the best trade I've had all week. So if you check right here, we had a resistance zone. This was the kind of the no trade area, and it was also a resistance zone right here. So I was seeing how on ES at this same level, we were at VWAP and we were also at a resistance zone. So I took a short, got in right here, stops was above here, but as you see, the trade pushed and I had caught a pretty nice move. I made $2,300 on this one trade. So yeah, pretty much 2 for 2 on the day. That's pretty much it for me. I am done trading. I'm finna hit the gym, and then I will see you guys on Thursday. Alright, what's up, y'all? Today is Thursday, October 24th. The time right now is 8:32. So yeah, basically the market is kind of recovered from what happened yesterday. We hit a 4-hour fair value gap, and we hit a 4-hour fair value gap yesterday, and we pushed up off of that from yesterday. And then where we pushed up off of yesterday is kind of where we are right now. I'm gonna just show you exactly what I am looking at. So right now I had this 5-minute trend line that broke. I didn't want to take this trade, so I took it on practice, and so I'm up $300. But yeah, so really I think the market is gonna try and recover what happened from yesterday, and we may see some higher price action. Right now I'm not trading because we got news at 8:45. So I got 12 minutes before I can news, and then I got 12 minutes before I can trade. And so so yeah, pretty much just seeing what happens. I'm gonna see where I took a short from yesterday, if that resistance will hold, or if we break out of it and then retest. I'll probably get back in off of that. But yeah, I'll bring you guys back whenever I'm in a trade. Alright, y'all, first trade on the day is an L. I'm gonna show you exactly why I took this trade. So right here, as you see, we had this low. For the low, as you see, we had this low, came down, swept the lows, and price was pushing back up. I waited for it because this right here was a zone of resistance. I waited for us to close above resistance, and then I had went ahead and got in. This right here was a trend line break in a 5-minute fair value gap. I kind of jumped the gun. I wanted the 5-minute fair value gap to inverse and break the trend line at the same time, but I had went ahead and got in, and as you see, I got stopped out because price sold off hard off of this 5-minute fair value gap. So yeah, so on that trade I lost like $264. One thing, I should have just waited for price to break out of that 5-minute fair value gap and break the trend line. And then ES right here, I seen ES was above VWAP, and we kind of closed above VWAP, and the candle was looking pretty nice, so I just went ahead and hopped in on that. But as you see, ES sold that next candle down. So yeah, but I'm flat right now, not taking any trades, and then just seeing what's gonna happen in the market. So yeah. Alright, y'all, I am back into another trade. I'm gonna show y'all the trade I took. So we were at this trend line. As y'all see, when we got up here, we rejected and came down lower. As you see, price kind of swept these relative lows right here, and then we made a move back up. Once we inverse this 1-minute fair value gap, I went ahead and got long, and then stops below this area right here. And I also had that trend line that we broke out of, but price is steadily like chopping around here. As you see, ES is playing around this area right here. Once we inverse this 5-minute, the next target should be high of day, but it just depends on what price is going to do. It may have to move lower and balance out some of these candles right here, or I don't know. But yeah, well, as you see, stopped out. So yeah, I might take one more trade because I do 3 losses, and that's pretty much it for today. But yeah, this candle right here just came and shot down and took me out. And I would really hate for me to get stopped out by this one point and price pushes up. That would be crazy. But yeah, I'll just bring you guys back when I am into another trade. Alright, y'all, I am done for the day. I got stopped out. The new 1-hour candle opened, and it came and took me out of the trade that I was in. That's basically this trade right here. I was looking to get, I was like in the shorts right here, and we also had this 1-minute bearish fair value gap that held up, and then as you see, the 1 hour came, and these 3 candles kind of just stopped me out of that position. I did re-enter back here after I got stopped out the first time I got stopped out, but as you see, it definitely took me out, and I am down $1,000 on the day. So yeah, this is the first red day of the week. Price action has not really been that great. I really shouldn't have been trading in this area. because we've been in the same 378 area to 297 the whole the whole 2.5 hours the market has been open. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for me today, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Alright chat, what's up y'all? We are back, and today is Friday, October 25th. The market pushed up a lot in the overnight. I did take a trade in the overnight, but it was on practice because I was confident in the trade, but I didn't want to just like I didn't want to take it on my real account. So I woke up and the trade is running up around because I caught it down here. I seen we had to support. We had a swing low right here. We had a support. I went ahead and got long, and as you see, the trade ran up to basically $2,500. So if I would have took that on my funded, it would have been okay. But pretty much today it was pretty bullish overnight. We got this 4-hour fair value gap. If we close above this 4-hour fair value gap, I think we will see some type of push up. I'm thinking price is gonna be bullish today. ES is at a resistance zone right now, so what I'm thinking on ES, we break out, retest, and push above this bullish trend line, but we also could reject it. And then NQ, we have this higher time frame resistance right here. If I go on like the 1 hour, where is it? We have this high time frame resistance right here, so I'm gonna watch out for that level. But yeah, if we the market opens in about 3 minutes, we broke out of like resistance from yesterday's, so it's looking pretty decent. But we are coming down right here, so we could sell when market opens, but we gonna see. And then I just bring you guys back whenever I am into a trade. Alright chat, so Friday I hit the daily loss limit again. And I did overtrade just a tad bit. I don't even know how many trades I took. Yeah, I took way more trades than I need to. I took 18 trades. So today was one of my worst days trading. The reason I would say that is because I would be down, and then I'd be up, and then I'd be down, and then I'd be up. And I'd just go back and forth, back and forth. And then I started to get down a little bit, and some of the trades I taken, they were pretty good. Like this is the last trade that stopped me out here. We finally broke out of the trend line. I was long, and I don't know what happened, but this candle right here just came down and out of nowhere and just shot down and took me out. So yeah, but I traded, you know, a couple of these, try to get these trend line breaks, but as you see, this EMA just held like crazy. Held right here, held right here, held right here. And yeah, so I just took unnecessary losses. Today was definitely not a good day. The Express is not gone. I have $326 until it's gone. So but yeah, pretty much today was not a good day trading wise for me. I'm gonna go back to the drawing board and look at the trades that I did take. I missed the early move, you know, the early on move that I had. The early, you know, where price just kept going bullish, kept just going up. I missed all that move, so yeah, I tried to catch it on the rebound up. I really was looking for this trade right here on the 1 hour. Once we broke out of that support area, once we broke out of that resistance area, I was looking to get long about right here. We didn't exactly touch it, and so I kind of didn't get my entry that I needed to get. But yeah, so trade and error on me, overtrade today, but yeah, we'll be back Monday.